Good morning, beautiful people. How's everybody doing today? Today is a new day. Today is December the 9th, y'all. We're pushing right along, right? We are pushing right along. I don't have a lot today in today's video. I'm just going to take you guys upon my day. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get myself together. I just took a nice bath, y'all. Look. And don't be thinking it's dirt, because it's not. I got to wash the tub out. But I had my candle going. I had my tea. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to try to get into a few other things before I have to head out. I have to meet a young lady for a product, to buy a product. So I had to get that done. And yeah, I got something to show y'all. Y'all going to be like, Sonia. But it's funny because I told a friend of mine about that package and stuff. And she was just right. She was right on it. Like, I'm going to have to tell her today, like, you know, sometimes, I'm not saying I have a problem with telling people they are right. Never have a problem with that. But it's just a coincidence that she was dead on about where it came from. And I was just like, huh? It was funny. It's funny. But long story short, yeah. Hope you all are having an amazing morning. Okay? Welcome back to another video. So today, like I said, I'm not doing too much. Not too much at all. Don't have to work, thank God. I don't have to do that, but I am going to go deliver this package. Oh, outfit of the day, y'all. Y'all already know I love this here with the gathered. It's real comfortable. That's why I bought it. So it's like you can wear it outside. You can wear it. Some people say lounge wear. It's just a two-piece set that I like to wear in the house or outside. I will be, like I said, going out today. Oh, somebody was asking, I think it was you, Jay Johnson, you were saying, do I have to move the plant? I'll show you guys for all of you if you're new here. She was wondering, do I have to move my plant out of the way? This one here, that's so long. Look at that baby. Y'all see that baby? She wanted to know, do I have to move her when I'm taking my shower or bath? So no, in the shower, I leave her hanging down. But when I take my bath, I keep her, you know, either draped over or on the side of the tub. So that answers that question. And if you're wondering, I'm wearing Pacifica today, Himalayan patchouli berry. Okay, stop, Sonia, stop it. And I got from Wild. This is the Cloud Walk. This is the Yang Madrian. So that's what I'm wearing today. If you guys can see that, these two are what I'm wearing today. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the office, okay? Power of a camera, bathroom's clean. Clean, done. All right, y'all. Let's get this party started. Yes, she's watching herself, but I absolutely was trying to, I'm still working on my Etsy store. I don't know if it's me. Am I doing something wrong? Or if I'm rushing. I don't think I'm rushing, because I kept thinking that. Because I was able to load, like I said, I was able to put other things on there. So I don't know, y'all. So yeah. I have to take all of these with me, because the lady, she's buying one. But she wanted to know, like, what other sizes. So I have to bring other things with me so she can see what it is that I'm talking about. But this one is hers. And we're going to get this taken care of so we can go. So that's just basically how I do everything. I'm going to put her a little card, whichever one I like, to match her. Maybe I'll do black and gold. What y'all think? Or something. Yeah, I'll do the black and the gold. So basically it's just like a thank you card. If you guys can see that, saying thank you for supporting my small business. I'm very grateful, like I said. So let's get this out of the way. So basically I just take it, stick it there, and put the tape on it like that. So we are good. to go. Okay? So guys, I'll see you guys in a minute, okay? Now let's get back to the video. So, I don't know if this light, hopefully this light is not too bright right now. But anyway, y'all, I was telling y'all yesterday about well, not yesterday, I think I was telling y'all about this package. I'll leave that here. Y'all, this is from my sister. This is from my sister. So what I did was, I opened this up, and actually this was turned, it was turned in a way where all I could see that it said where it came from, and then it said something collection. And I said, I know these people ain't trying, nobody trying to play me. Like, I thought the first thing I'm thinking is collection agency. It was just weird how it happened. The man was laughing, but I'm gonna show y'all what's in here. It's so nice. And it's so funny, I called my mom and was talking to her about it, because, and Sissy, if you're watching, happy birthday. My sister's birthday was Monday, and I didn't tell her happy birthday until yesterday. I just had so much on my mind, and I was doing so much. So sister, if you're watching, happy Earth Day, happy birthday. And I apologize if I was late. But anyway, was talking to my mom, and she was like, oh, I got the same thing. And she actually thought the same thing. She threw it on the floor. She didn't want to touch it and all that kind of stuff, because, you know, people are doing crazy stuff. If you guys remember back in the day, people were doing like anthrax or something. But she said her postal worker, a postman, told her, like, nowadays we don't have to worry about coronavirus when it comes to packages. I guess they sanitize everything. But anyway, long story short, she sent me this cashmere scarf, y'all. Look at that. Says cashmere right there. It's so pretty. It's got the fringes and everything. I really, really like that. So if you guys don't, my sister knows me very well. So I have y'all know I have that that big old hat that's really pretty as wool. This absolutely matches it. It's a taupe color, so you guys will be seeing me wear this. And then also, I got to contact 2 churches today that's not too far from me, because they house women with children. So I can go ahead and get these boxes out of here. Like I said, I have 2 boxes. And I think I'm going to take 2 things off of my Offer Up app and put them in here and just let somebody else, you know, be happy with them. So I'm going to be doing that today. But in the meantime, y'all, hold the line, because I need to go in the kitchen, get ready to fix my smoothie. All right, guys, so it's time to make this smoothie. Where's my knife? So I'm just gonna do pineapple, mango, banana, and raspberry. I'm looking for my ginger. Okay, piece of ginger, and I'm gonna use my cinnamon. And I think too, I might do, well, I'm gonna put this big amount of that in there, of that ginger in there. And I think I might do, why can I never get this open? They make these packages so impossible for you to open the thing. Yeah, I think I might do I might do turmeric too, so. Because since I got that ginger in there, the pineapple give the, you know what, I'll do that. I'll do that. So like I said, we got the mango. What did I say? We got the pineapple. I put my ginger in there. I'm going to cut half of this banana, because I can freeze the other part for the next smoothie I'll have. So that's trash, that's trash. Let's put our ginger up and put our turmeric. Let's sprinkle some turmeric in there. You're not going to be able to taste this, you guys, if you're wondering. Like, Sonya, why you always doing that? You got to follow it up with pepper. The sweet is going to override that, so it's nothing to worry about. And y'all know raspberries go super fast, so I'm going to get rid of these 2. I'll save the next 3 for another one. And then I'll add my cinnamon. And we're going to go get the milk. Hold on, let's get the milk. The almond milk that we need for our smoothie. We're going to get that. That should be enough. Hold on, y'all. Let me put this stuff away, and then we'll come back. All right, y'all. So that's what it looks like. Let's get her going. We'll do that. All right, let's see what she's like. Because I got to go outside and warm my car up. I after I take my bath and stuff, and this for anybody, after you take your bath or shower, don't go straight out in this cold weather. It's like, it's supposed to get 60, y'all. I think Saturday, here's the consistency. Look at that, look how thick. Yeah, it's supposed to be like 60. That's not even gonna make no sense in this month. This is good, y'all. So good. But anyway, let me let this drip off of here. But anyway, I want to show y'all two things that I picked up yesterday from Habitat. Well, yeah, from Habitat for Humanity, because I was in the area. Hold on, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. I know y'all can see it sitting over there. But anyway, I picked up the matching 3. These are the IKEA salad plates or saucers, because y'all already know I have the plates, right? And I have the bowls from that other Heart to Hand. So what I'm gonna do is, let me see, I can slide these over. Can y'all see me doing that? I'm gonna slide the, hold on. Yeah. Slide that stuff over so I can make room. And they were $0.25 too, guys. So I was happy about that. So now I have the beige saucers, the beige plates, and the beige, not saucers, but I have the beige bowls, the tote plates, and the tote saucers, as well as the black, all of that. So yeah, like I said, these were $0.25, and I don't know if you guys can see, but they have like some scratchy, if y'all can see, like some scratchy detail, but the guy told me on there, I was able to get it off. He told me to put comment on it and bleach, and I did it, and it came off. So I got that. And then I also picked up these two babies because, guys, over here, oh, and here is the, here are the, let's move her out the way. Here are the, here are my cutting boards. Jay Johnson, no, it was Google Wood. She said she's gonna copy my idea. That's my whole thing, y'all. I try to inspire anybody to let you just know. This saved me so much money than going out and buying me cutting board. I kept trying to go everywhere looking for a cutting board. I said, let me just go to the thrift store, and if I get lucky to see some cutting boards, I'll just buy them. So that's what ended up happening. That's how I ended up with them. So anyway, guys, I got these two. These were $0.25 too. So over here, you guys know I changed out my stuff. So I don't have this one. And I do like doubles. So the only one that I have that's like this one I just bought would be my African one. So now I have 2 like that. And then this one here, which is long and it'll go in a pot really good. See that? I only have this one. So now I have 2 of those. See? Short and long. And then the same with this one is that. So yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed hanging out with me today. That's all I got for y'all right now. Remember to love yourself, enjoy yourself, live every day the best that you can. Do what you can for others. Don't try to put yourself on a pedestal, because nobody is above others. And do what is right. Love yourself so that you'll be the love of others, so this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. Bye.